Hello everyone, this speech will change your life forever if you're able to listen it full. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine waking up one day and realizing that half of your life is already gone and you have done nothing meaningful. Time is the only thing in this world that you can never get back. Money, relationships, and opportunities may come and go, but once time is lost, it is lost forever. Every second that passes is like a drop of water that disappears into the ocean of the past. No matter how rich or powerful you are, you cannot buy back a single moment. That is why you must use it wisely. Look around you. How many people complain about their lives? How many say, I wish I had more time? The truth is, everyone has the same 24 hours in a day. The difference is how they use it. Some people waste their time overthinking, complaining, and waiting for the perfect moment. Others take action, work hard, and make the most of every second. The people who value time are the ones who achieve great things. They don't sit around waiting for opportunities. They create them. They don't waste time on things that don't matter. They focus on their goals. Think about your own life. How many hours have you wasted on social media, watching unnecessary videos, or gossiping about things that don't affect your future? If you count those hours, you will be shocked at how much of your life has been lost. But here's the good news. You still have time. Right now, at this very moment, you have the power to change your future by making better decisions about how you use your time. Successful people don't have extra hours in a day. They just manage their time better. They plan their day, set priorities, and avoid distractions. They know that every second counts. If you waste 1 hour every day, that's 365 hours in a year, more than 15 full days. Imagine what you could achieve in 15 extra days if you use that time wisely. You could learn a new skill, start a business, improve your health, or build a better future for yourself. Some people say, I don't have time. But the truth is, time is not the problem. Priorities are. If something is important to you, you will find time for it. If you truly want to change your life, you must stop making excuses. You have to decide what is important and focus on that. There will always be distractions. There will always be people and situations trying to steal your time. But you must be strong. You must learn to say no to things that do not help you grow. You must stop wasting time on people who don't support your dreams. You must use your time wisely because one day you will look back and either feel proud or regretful. Time is limited, and you are not here to live for 1,000 years. You have only a short time to make your mark, to achieve your dreams, to create something meaningful. Don't let another day pass without taking action. If you want success, if you want happiness, if you want to live a life without regrets, then start valuing your time today. Every second is a gift. Use it wisely. Think about the last time you said, I will do it tomorrow. How many times has that tomorrow come and gone? The harsh truth is, tomorrow is never guaranteed. The only time you truly have is now. People waste so much of their lives waiting for the perfect time to start something, waiting for the right mood, the right opportunity, the right support. But time does not wait for anyone. The longer you wait, the more you lose. Look at successful people around you. Do you think they had a perfect moment to start? No. They took action despite their fears, despite their doubts. They understood that waiting is just another way of wasting time. If you keep telling yourself that you will start tomorrow, that tomorrow will turn into weeks, then months, and then years, before you know it, life has passed you by, and you are left with nothing but regret. Many people think they have a lifetime to achieve their dreams. They believe they can always start later. But life is unpredictable. No one knows how much time they have. If you keep delaying, you might never get another chance. Every moment you waste is a moment you will never get back. Time is always moving forward, and if you're not using it wisely, you are falling behind. Think about the small things in your daily life that steal your time. Scrolling on social media, watching endless TV shows, engaging in useless arguments. These activities do not add any value to your life. Yet they take away precious hours that you could use to improve yourself, learn something new, or work on your goals. Now imagine if you started using your time wisely. Imagine if you decided to take action today. How much could you achieve in 1 year if you stopped delaying and started working on your dreams? You could learn a new skill, get in shape, start a business, or strengthen your relationships. Small, consistent efforts every day can create big results over time, but none of that can happen if you keep waiting. One of the biggest reasons people procrastinate is fear. Fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of not being good enough. But the only way to overcome fear is to take action. The more you delay, the stronger your fear becomes. The moment you take the first step, you take control of your life. Action destroys fear. It replaces doubt with confidence. It turns dreams into reality. Do not wait for motivation to come. Motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes. The secret is discipline. Even when you don't feel like doing something, do it anyway. Even when it's hard, keep going. Every time you push through your excuses, you become stronger. And soon, success becomes a habit. So stop telling yourself you have time. Stop making excuses. Stop waiting for the right moment. The right moment is now. If you want to achieve something, start today. If you have a dream, chase it now. If you want a better life, take action now. Time is running. The only question is, are you running with it or wasting it? Have you ever found yourself wondering where all your time went? You wake up, go through the day, and by the time night falls, you feel like you accomplished nothing. Yet, the hours passed. This happens because most people do not track their time. They assume they are busy, but in reality, they are just occupied with unimportant things. If you do not take control of your time, it will control you. Think about this. Every successful person in the world has the same 24 hours in a day as you. The difference is how they use it. They do not let time slip away unnoticed. They are intentional about every moment. They know that wasted time is wasted life. If you want to make the most of your life, you must first understand where your time goes. Start by observing your daily habits. How much time do you spend on social media? How often do you watch TV? How long do you sit around doing nothing, just thinking about what you need to do instead of actually doing it? You may not even realize it, but these small distractions add up. Minutes turn into hours, hours turn into days, and before you know it, months have passed without progress. Now, imagine if you started keeping track of your time. Imagine if instead of spending an hour scrolling on your phone, you spend that time reading a book, learning a new skill, or exercising. Imagine if instead of wasting time on things that do not add value to your life, you use that time to build your future. The difference would be life-changing. Tracking your time does not mean you have to live like a machine. It simply means being aware of where your time is going. It means choosing wisely what you give your energy to. The more you track your time, the more productive you become. You will start noticing patterns. You will realize how much time you are wasting on things that do not matter. And once you see that, you can change it. One simple way to track your time is to write down everything you do in a day. For 1 week, keep a journal. Every hour, note down what you spent your time on. At the end of the week, review it. You will be shocked to see how much of your time is being wasted. This is your wake-up call. This is your chance to take back control. The next step is planning. Once you see where your time is going, start making a plan for how you want to spend it. Set clear goals for each day. Prioritize the important tasks. Make a to-do list. And most importantly, stick to it. Do not let distractions take over. Stay disciplined. It is also important to set boundaries. Say no to things that waste your time. If something is not helping you grow, do not give it your energy. Protect your time like it is the most valuable thing you have, because it is. Remember, you cannot change the past, but you can control the future. Your time is your greatest asset. Use it wisely. Track it, plan it, and make every moment count. If you do this, you will not only achieve success, you will live a life with no regrets. There is one universal truth that no one can deny. Time is limited. No matter who you are, where you come from, or what you do, you cannot get more than 24 hours in a day. The way you use those hours will determine the quality of your life. If you want to be successful, if you want to achieve your dreams, you must learn the power of prioritization. You cannot do everything, but you can do the things that truly matter. Think about this. How often do you find yourself busy but not productive? Running around all day, yet at the end of it, you feel like you have accomplished nothing. This is because you are giving your time to things that do not contribute to your growth. You are saying yes to everything without thinking if it is worth your energy. You are trying to do too much, and in the end, you are doing nothing meaningful. The secret to success is not doing more. It is doing the right things. It is about focusing on what truly matters and letting go of the rest. The most successful people are not the ones who are constantly busy, but the ones who know what to focus on. They understand that time is precious, and they refuse to waste it on things that do not bring them closer to their goals. So how do you prioritize your time? The first step is to identify what truly matters to you. What are your goals? What are the things that will improve your life? Once you know this, you need to divide your time accordingly. Make sure that the most important tasks get the most attention. If something does not help you grow, do not give it your time. The next step is learning to say no. This is difficult for many people because we are taught to be polite, to help others, to agree to things even when we do not want to. But if you say yes to everything, you will have no time left for yourself. You need to learn to say no without feeling guilty. Every time you say yes to something unimportant, you are saying no to something that truly matters. Another important aspect of prioritization is eliminating distractions. How much time do you waste scrolling through your phone? How often do you get lost in unnecessary conversations? How many hours do you spend on things that have no value? If you truly want to make the most of your time, you need to cut these distractions out. Put your phone away when you are working. Set limits on social media. Create a routine that keeps you focused. It is also essential to understand the difference between urgent and important. Many people spend their time dealing with urgent matters, things that feel important but are actually distractions. Answering every phone call, replying to every message, handling every little issue that comes up. But the truly successful people focus on what is important, not just what is urgent. They work on things that will create long-term results. They do not let small distractions take them away from their bigger goals. Finally, remember that your time is yours. You do not owe it to anyone. Do not let others control it. Do not waste it trying to please people who do not care about your success. You have a purpose, a dream, a life to build. Prioritize it. Focus on what truly matters. Let go of the rest. Your time is too valuable to be wasted. Use it wisely, and you will create a life that you are proud of. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, yet some people achieve so much, while others struggle to make progress. The difference is not in the amount of time available, but in how it is used. One of the biggest mistakes people make is wasting time on things that do not contribute to their growth. Whether it is spending hours on social media, watching endless TV shows, or engaging in gossip and negativity, time is slipping away, and once it is gone, it never comes back. Think about it. How many times have you told yourself that you will start something tomorrow? How many opportunities have you let go just because you thought you had more time? We always assume that we have plenty of time left, but the truth is, We don't know how much time we have. Every second that passes is gone forever. Every moment you waste is a moment you will never get back. The world is filled with distractions. There is always something pulling your attention away from what truly matters. If you do not learn to control your time, these distractions will control it for you. Imagine waking up one day, looking back at your life and realizing that you spent most of your time on things that added no value. That is a painful regret. And the only way to avoid it is to be mindful of how you spend your time. One of the biggest time wasters is overthinking. How many hours have you wasted worrying about things that never happened? How often do you sit and think about what others will say or what could go wrong instead of taking action? Overthinking creates fear, and fear stops you from moving forward. Instead of wasting time in your mind, use that time to take action. Even if you fail, you will learn something valuable, but if you do nothing, you will be stuck in the same place, regretting the time you lost. Another way people waste time is by being too focused on the past. Yes, bad things happen. Yes, you have made mistakes. But dwelling on them will not change anything. You cannot go back and fix the past, but you can learn from it and use it to create a better future. Stop wasting your time thinking about what you could have done differently. Instead, use your time to do better now. Procrastination is another enemy of success. Many people wait for the perfect time to start something. They wait for the right mood, the right motivation, or the right opportunity. But the truth is, there is no perfect time. If you keep waiting, you will wait forever. The right time is now. Start where you are with what you have. You do not need to be perfect to begin. You just need to begin. Surrounding yourself with the wrong people is also a major waste of time. If you spend your time with people who do not inspire you, who drain your energy, who hold you back instead of pushing you forward, then you are wasting your precious time. Choose your company wisely. Spend time with people who encourage you, who challenge you to grow, who remind you of your goals. Your time is too valuable to be spent on meaningless relationships. At the end of the day, time is your most valuable asset. If you use it wisely, it will take you to success. If you waste it, you will only be left with regret. Do not let distractions steal your future. Do not let overthinking, negativity, or procrastination hold you back. Do not waste your time on things that do not bring you closer to your goals. Your time is limited, so use it to build a life you are proud of. Imagine waking up every day with a clear purpose, knowing exactly what you need to do and why you need to do it. That is what happens when you set clear goals and stay committed to them. Many people struggle because they do not have a direction in life. They wake up without a plan, go through their day without focus, and then wonder why they are not making progress. The truth is, without clear goals, time will slip through your fingers, and you will never realize where it went. Goals give you a reason to wake up early and work hard. They push you to be disciplined and focused. When you have a goal, every minute of your day has a purpose. You do not waste time because you know exactly what you are working towards. But having a goal is not enough. You must be committed to it. Many people set goals but give up too soon. They lose motivation, get distracted, or become impatient when results do not come immediately. Success does not happen overnight. It takes consistent effort, patience, and the ability to keep going even when things get tough. Commitment is what separates winners from losers. Winners do not quit just because something is difficult. They do not stop when they feel tired or discouraged. They keep pushing forward no matter what. If you truly want to achieve something in life, you have to commit to it with everything you have. No excuses, no shortcuts, just pure dedication. Think of all the successful people in the world. Athletes, entrepreneurs, artists. None of them got to where they are by accident. They had a goal, and they worked for it every single day, no matter how hard it was. One of the biggest challenges people face is staying committed when they do not see immediate results. We live in a world where everyone wants quick success. If they do not see progress in a few weeks or months, they give up. But real success takes time. It is like planting a seed. You do not see the tree the next day. You have to water it, nurture it, and wait patiently. The same applies to your goals. Even if you do not see immediate results, keep going. Stay committed. Trust the process. Another challenge is distractions. We live in a time where distractions are everywhere. Social media, entertainment, unnecessary conversations. If you are not careful, these distractions will consume all your time, leaving you with nothing to invest in your goals. If you want to stay committed, you must learn to say no. No to distractions, no to negativity, no to anything that does not align with your goals. Your time is precious. Do not waste it on things that do not add value to your life. Self-discipline is key to commitment. There will be days when you do not feel like working. There will be moments when you want to take a break or quit. But success is about doing what needs to be done, even when you do not feel like doing it. Discipline means showing up every day, putting in the effort, and staying focused no matter how you feel. Surrounding yourself with the right people also helps you stay committed. If you are around lazy, negative, or unmotivated people, their mindset will affect you. But if you are around focused, hardworking, and positive people, they will inspire you to stay on track. Choose your environment wisely. At the end of the day, your success depends on your commitment. No one else can do the work for you. No one else can make your dreams come true. It is all in your hands. Set your goals, commit to them, and do not stop until you achieve them.